Hi. In simpliRP ERP, you can easily link a sales order to already made invoice. We have earlier prepared one invoice without linking sales order. Now go to Reports, Sales Report. In that customer-wise sales, select the date range. On the list, there is a Link SO button on the right side. Click that. Select the customer name. Select the respective sales order. Select the corresponding item in that sales order. Click Update. That's it. If you refresh the invoice, you can see the sales order has been linked already. Please note, this will not have any effect on stock and it will not change the batch number. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your sales department. Thank you.